have been my portion, Lord. My nights are filled with silent cries. The one I loved has walked away, and hope feels distant from my eyes. But like Psalm 34, you draw me